Good evening. This is model paper 4, part 2. Already 1 to question number 8. Already a short video I uploaded. This is part 2, question number 9. This is also 1 mark question. How many solutions do the pair linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x b2y plus c2 equals to 0 if the lines represented by them there are intersecting? Means if lines are intersecting, how many solutions is there? If lines are intersecting, only one solution. Answer is if a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2, then how many solution? Only one solution. This condition for intersecting line. Question number 10. Write a quadratic equation polynomial if px zeros alpha and beta. This is solution number 9. This is solution number 10. Question number 10 is roots, one root is alpha and other root is beta. Then quadratic equation form is x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots. Then answer is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equals to 0. This is answers. Then question number 11. Question number 11 is if the first term of arithmetic progression m and common difference is 3, then find the 10th term. Means here given a10 value you find a in formula is a plus n minus 1 into t. This is a last term formula. But why find a10 means a plus 9d. Here given n minus 1. Then we should find a10 a plus 9d. If this value is given m and 9 and d value is given 3. Then m plus 27 means 8 value is a m plus 27. Then question number 12. Question number 12 is find the distance point -3 for 4 from origin. If given origin, the distance formula is under root x square plus y square. Then under root 3 का square plus 4 का square. Then 3 3s are 9 plus 4 4 16. Then under root 25. Then value is 5. Then distance is 5. Then next question number 13. Find the value is tan a into cot a minus cot a into sec a. Tan a into cos a minus cos a into here cot a into sec a. Here tan a into cot a equals to 1 by cot a. Then you write 1 by cot a into cot a. Here same cos a equals to 1 by sec a. Then you write cos a into 1 by cos a. Then here cos a cancel, cot a cancel. Means 1 minus 1 0 answer. Then this value is a 0. Find the volume of cube. Age is 6 centimeter. Here question number 14. Volume of cube is side का cube. Then 6 into 6 into 6 centimeter cube. 216 centimeter cube. Then here question number 10. A vertical pole length is 6 meter casts shadow 4 meter long on the ground. At the same time, a building casts 28 meter long. Find the height of building. Here question number 15. Here given 6 meter shadow is cast. If pole is 6 meters, shadow is 4 meter long on the ground. At the same time, building cast shadow is 28 meter long. Find the height of building. Then here h1 by h2 and h1 by h2. Then h1 is given 6 shadow is given 4. Building height is not given, shadow is given 28. 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are. Then shadow height is 6 into 7 means 42 meter. Then last 16 number question. Find the surface area of sphere 7 centimeter. Surface area sphere 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 surface area. Sphere surface area is 4 pi r square. Then 4 pi का value 22 by 7. R square is 7 into 7. 7 7 cancel. Then 28 into 22. If you multiply, then 56 56 means 616 centimeter square. 616 centimeter square. Then answer is 7 number answer is 616 centimeter square. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.